Good evening, good morning, good afternoon sa lahat ng kababayan ko sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. This is Angelica Rondolo, live from Pilar Village, Las Piñas City in Manila. Okay, so we are going to discuss, and of course, before I start, I would like to welcome all of you for coming to this call. If this is your first time to attend this webinar means seminar online or seminar on web. Welcome to our friends in Malaysia, Bicol, Manila, and in Singapore. Thank you so much for making it, guys. Okay, so we're going to talk about house rules. Of course, there is a chat box located on the upper right side of your screen. So you can maximize it, and then kung meron kayong gustong itanong, we will give you time to ask questions later after this presentation. Okay, so welcome. Discover and learn the only social network that rewards and pays back the community. So anong social network ba ang ginagamit ninyo? According to Alexa.com, the #1 top site in the Philippines is, name it. #1 is Facebook, #2 is YouTube, #3 is Twitter. And we have around 36.6 internet users in the Philippines, and 30 millions are on Facebook. Okay, so you can add that Facebook. Okay, so meron palang ganito, no? The only social network that rewards and pays back the community. That is the reason why you are here. I will introduce to you first who developed this social network. The company is Smart Media. The future has arrived. I'll introduce you the man behind the success of the company. The Smart Media Technologies, meet our CEO. Our company incorporated in 2008, launched in August 2009. The Smart Media CEO, David Martin, has designed and developed banking platforms and fraud security systems for over 15 years with his elite programming team. In short, anti-hacker po siya, okay? For the past 15 years. So, hindi pwedeng sabihin ni David Martin sa Bank of America na, sorry, Bank of America, nakuha yung pera ninyo. And hindi pwede yun. And ganun ka-credible yung name ni Mr. David Martin. Of course, the goal of the company is to become the first Fortune 500 technology company to provide its global members with a financial opportunity. Meet our CEO, Mr. David Martin. And then proud to introduce to you our certificate of incorporation. And at the same time, we were given the certificate with status in good standing by the Nevada States of USA. Pwede nyo i-google yung Nevada government, and then you can look for our company, or you can also download and check the certificates from our smartmediatechnologies.com under company tab. So dito po importante, 95% po kasi ng mga nagsasarang mga internet company, hindi po tumatagal ng 3 taon. Yung iba 3 months, wala na. Yung iba, medyo mabuti-buti pa pag umabot ng 1.5 years. But our company, Smart Media Technologies, has been around for almost 60 years. Kaya po nabigyan tayo ng ganitong certificate in good standing by the Nevada States of Government. Okay, let's talk about this new social network. We call it Yobsen, Y-O-B-S-N. Yobsen stands for your own branded social network. Can you say that with me? Can you repeat that word with me? Yobsen, Y-O-B-S-N, your own branded social network. This is the only revenue sharing social network, giving you the ability to cash in on the fortunes being made in the social networking industry. So, di ba, kaya Facebook, Google, and YouTube, they are a billion-dollar company. And these are the top social networking sites that I think most of us are using them. Okay? And just like the big boys are doing, Yobsen is the next household name in the next coming months, years. So let's talk about free member registration. Okay? So mag-fill up rin kayo ng registration nyo just like any other social network. Get your own free Yobsen website. Ito lang po yung nag-iisang social network na meron kang sarili mong website. And once you create your free membership, you will receive and instantly 30 social points. Bakit may social points, Miss Jelly? So we'll discuss that later. So once you created your Yobsen free account, please click on this bonus button and click the install Yobsen add-on. Itong nakikita nyo may malaking circle sa baba sa screen natin. Ang tawag yan po yung ating Yobsen add-on. Yung nakikita po ninyo na advertisement on the right button, yung mga paid advertiser, yan po yung mga nag-a-advertise sa Yobsen. Okay? So, yan po yun. Ito po yung tinatawag po namin dynamic bar. Ang ibig po sabihin yung dynamic bar na to, in any sites, in any browser, itong dynamic bar na to, as long as you are a Yobsen user, makikita po ninyo ito sa inyong screen. Unless na lang po kayo ay nag-log out sa internet, of course. Next. So let's talk about rewarding. Sabi mo, Miss Jelly, the only social network that rewards and pays back the community. Let's talk about rewarding. For more than 2 years, Smart Media Technologies has been rewarding the community. You win every day by clicking on each prize boxes. Pag kinilik niyo po yung green button, yung daily prize, you will be rewarded with 1 social point. Minsan mananalo kayo ng extra social points. Pag kinilik po ninyo yung weekly prize, that would give you 1 raffle to win $250 cash. And pag kinilik nyo naman po yung ating monthly prize, that will give you another raffle to win $250 and a gadget, Acer notebook. And pag kinilik nyo po yung prize winners on top of the weekly prize button, doon nyo po makikita yung mga monthly winners po natin. So just like last month, nanalo po yung ating kababayan si Engineer, si Kuya Ed, na taga Dubai, na namit po namin na last year, nanalo po siya ng $250. Okay? And for more than 2 years, hindi na po updated to, for more than 2 years, ang napamigay na po ng ating company, hindi po kilalang kilala, pero namimigay na po yung ating company. Umabot na po ito ng $55,000 as of February. $55,000 ang pinigmigay na po sa buong community ng Yobsen. Ganyan po kabait yung ating CEO. Okay, get rewarded for referring. So once you created your free account, please keep your URL or yobsen.com link. And whenever you share your yobsen.com to your friends, you will be rewarded with social points. Kapag yung kaibigan po ninyo ay nag-sign up, instantly, natapos po niya yung 3 steps. Ano po yung 3 steps? You have to ask them to verify their email address. That would give them 15 social points. Mag-create po ng avatar. Avatar po yung ating ginagamit dito as your profile pic. That would give them 10 social points. And show your interest, another 5 social points. Pag natapos po niyan, congratulations, you have just received your 30 social points instantly. Okay? So you have to keep your yobsen.com or your URL Yobsen link. Now, bakit nga tayo merong social points? We are launching so soon the first free online shopping. Meron palang free ngayon habang nag-shop ka. Yes, we are launching our Yobsen Global Shopping Experience. 800 millions to choose from with the best of all the best. Yung mga top online shopping in the world, name it. Kilala na po natin sila. So they partnered with us. So yung social points na na-accumulate po natin by inviting our friends, by clicking on the daily button, by beating the highest score of the day sa ating Yobsen mobile, and many more. Yung accumulated social points po, mamamalengke po kayo sa Yobsen Global Shopping Experience using not your credit card, not your PayPal, but your social points. Kaya po, bawal po dito ang mag-create ng multiple accounts. Hindi po katulad sa Facebook, kahit 10 beses kayo mag-create ng accounts, okay lang. Dito po hindi. That is why very important po na ma-verify po ng Smart Media na ikaw talaga yung nag-create ng account. Why? Because this is a rewarding community. Imagine if you bring your 1,000 friends on Facebook, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, or in any other social sites to use Yobsen, 1,000 times 30 social points, you will be rewarded with 30,000 social points. Bakit ko po sinasample yung 30,000? Kasi nakita ko po sa Amazon.com, one of our partners, around 30,000 po yung Acer notebook. Imagine, nag-i-invite ka ng friends, ginagawa din naman natin araw-araw yun sa Facebook kasi nga po 30 million po ang mga Pinoy na nakababad po sa Facebook, and yet we are not being rewarded by these giant sites. So why not use Yobsen, right? So we are launching here anytime soon, so get ready. Now, let's talk about value. Bakit ka gagamit ng Yobsen? Masaya ka na sa Twitter, masaya ka na sa Facebook. Okay, so let's talk about value. The only social network that has around 300 exclusive videos from basic to advanced level on the hottest topics related to the computers, social networks, internet marketing, digital devices, and so much more. Includes a how-to series in webmastering, and so much more. Lahat po mapag-aaralan nyo dito, all in video tutorials. Okay, nasa loob ka ng Yobsen, pwede kang mag-aral. And you just simply click it under Smart Library. Paano paggamit ng YouTube, paano paggamit ng Google+, ng Google AdSense, ng Facebook, ng Twitter, all in video tutorials. So that is why we need to use Yobsen, because it offers tremendous value. What else? Kung may mga kamag-anak kayong nag-aaral pa, kapatid, pamangkin, kakilala, Yobsen offers this 1,000 academic videos on numerous subjects under our Smart Library, from primary school to university level, including our Yale and Stanford University series. Nag-aaral ka. Magkano po ang, ngayon po, para magpa-tutor po tayo ng mga prep and elementary, per hour tutorial po is 300 to 350 pesos per hour. Okay? Pag college o high school po ata ngayon, nagre-range ng 500 pesos per hour. So, hindi po lahat makaka-afford para makapag-aral po o, di ba, makapag-tutor. Imagine, mag-rent ka na lang. Ito po yung na-realize ko, mag-rent ka na lang ng 2 hours, mag-aral ka sa internet cafe. Buksan mo yung Yobsen mo, that only would give you like how much? 40 pesos. Kung medyo nagtitipid ka, 20 pesos. Per hour, nakakapag-aral ka na sa subject na nahihirapan ka. Okay, so you can find this under Smart Library. Now, you can also download smart softwares and hundreds of software to choose from. Scan through 41 different scanners. Yung ating ordinary computer or netbook, isa lang po yung scanner niyan. Okay, but this one, the programming team of Smart Media, they scan all the softwares 41 times in different scanners. Recommended by our experts, conveniently located in one place, saves time, saves money, find great softwares you didn't know existed. Let's talk about free video games. Okay? By statistic, 54% po ang nagpupunta sa Facebook. Facebook po yung aking medyo malapit-lapit na pinag-ano. Naglalaro lang po ng games. Facebook, for 10 years this year, last year nag-declare sila ng income, around $30 billion ang kinita po nila. 17% po ng kanilang kinita galing po sa games. Ganun po ka-addicted ang tao sa games, okay? So we have our games here, educational games. Of course, makikita nyo din naman sila sa iba, pero of course, using Yobsen, mag-akapaglaro po tayo dito. We have these fantastic sites. Hindi nyo na po kailangan nasa YouTube kayo, nasa LinkedIn kayo, Twitter. Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-open ng another browser para pumunta sa mga fantastic sites or your favorite sites. Designed to offer our members the very best of internet in an instant. Topics include news, media, games, fitness, miscellaneous, entertainment, travel, marketing, shopping, and web and hosting. Okay, so nasa loob ka ng Yobsen, pipili ka na lang. Next. Let's talk about multiple search engines. Saan kayo nakakita ng isang social network na mag-search ka na sa loob ng Yobsen? Okay? So if you're looking at your screen, our top 10 search engine are inside Yobsen at dyan ka na po mag-search. So you don't have to open another browser para pumunta sa Yahoo, para pumunta sa YouTube or Google. Sa loob ng Yobsen, just choose your search engine and search there, and then it goes to your destination. So, nakakasave po ng time. What else? Kung ang Twitter may tweets, Facebook may status update, ang Yobsen po merong chirp. You and your friends can add videos, images, status updates, and links to your smart chip and comment on it. Ang maganda po dito, ang YouTube and Facebook YouTube, Google Plus and Facebook, 25 MB lang po yung videos na pwede natin i-upload. With Smart Chip, we are allowed to upload up to 150 MB. So, malaki po siya. Okay? Next, avatar. So, we have these models from, of course, male and females. So, pwede nyo silang i-dress up. Pwede nyo lagyan ng accessories according to your style. Kung gusto nyo ng colored ang hair niyo, depende. Kulay ng mata niyo, depende sa inyo. So, kayo na po ang magdi-design ng inyong avatar. We have 7 models for males, 11 models for females sa ngayon po. So, Smart Mail System, the only social network na meron pong email marketing technology. Itong Smart Mail System, only exclusive to, of course, to Yobsen community. Hindi po ito pwedeng gamitin outside po Yobsen. Now, once you create your Yobsen, once you create your message, pwede po kayong mag-send ng message in text mode or pwede po kayong mag-attach ng video message. It's beyond email, 100% guaranteed delivery. No spamming. Why? Kasi po, kung naka-involve po kayo, nag-join kayo sa smart discussions, which we have existing right now, and you can create yours. Kung sa bawat smart discussion, meron dyan mga existing members. Nag-create ka ng message. Once you create your message, lalabas po lahat ng social group ko na involved kayo sa Yobsen. Tapos yung mga individual friends nyo, once you click those boxes, those box, and you send the message, they will receive your message either in video mode or in text mode individually. Kaya po, no spam and 100% guaranteed delivery. That's why send smart mail to one person, multiple people, one group, multiple groups, or everyone in one click. Ganyan po katindi. Sa email marketing and online ng internet, binabayaran po yan ng $20 to $50 per month. Okay, depende po kung gaano kadami yung gusto niyong padalan. At ito po yung isang features ng Yobsen na magugustuhan po ng lahat. Okay? Next, we have these fantastic videos with hundreds of the best videos of the internet on topics like shows, film animation, autos, and details, and many, many, many more. So, sa loob ng Yobsen, nakakapili ka ng gusto mong panoorin ng mga videos. Next, you can join an existing smart discussion or create your own groups. Subscribe to new groups and share topics of common interest. So, yan to po, very, very good po ito sa mga smart mail po na sinabi ko kanina. Okay. Of course, ito po yung itsura ng ating screenshot po ng ating Yobsen Global Shopping Experience. Select from over 800 million products from 4 corners of the earth. So, excited na po kami dito kasi nakita ko na po. Okay? So, and, yun po yung features po. Yun po yung features ng Yobsen. And then, yun po yung pinag-uusapan, yun po yung maa-avail po ng mga free users na gagamit po ng Yobsen. Okay, now, let's talk about becoming a Yobsen owner. Did you know that when you have your free users as a Yobsen owner, Yobsen has reinvented online shopping, an awesome new way to find genuinely different and extraordinary gifts. It's nothing like any other shopping website you've ever seen or heard about. Pag po kayo naging Yobsen owner, yung mga free users po ninyo, parang kayo yung may-ari ng mga social sites. Dahil kung kayo po yung may-ari, you share it with your friends, and your friends share it to your friends and friends. Because why? Because they love to be rewarded with social points, and as your social network, yung mga free members ninyo, lumaki ng lumaki ng lumaki. Whenever they buy from your Yobsen Global Shopping Experience as a Yobsen owner, you get paid. Okay? What if you made money when people buy? Wouldn't that be cool? So become a Yobsen owner. So let's talk about more becoming a Yobsen owner. We have it already, and anytime soon, yung ating Yobsen mobile apps and mobile games, ready na po. Some of our Yobsen owners already have it and enjoying it. And yan po. So, na-enjoy na po ito lahat ng mga tao. Okay. So, strategically designed to generate entirely new levels of revenue for Yobsen owners and not just the creators. So, ang yumayaman lang po sa social networking, syempre, yung may-ari. But because this is the only social network that rewards the community and pays back, it's a share revenue program. Binabalik po ng smart media technology owners yung revenue sa Yobsen owner. And same time, rewarding the entire community. So, free users, you will be rewarded with social points only. Wala pong pera for free users. But Yobsen owners, you'll be rewarded with social points and bonuses, or AKA commissions. You can make money from Yobsen mobile games. Excitement, prizes, and profits. The graphics in all Yobsen games, including the many wonderful characters, are state-of-the-art. Smart Media Technologies, meron po tayong 8 games right now sa ating desktop. 5 pa lang po, but when it's officially out to the Yobsen mobile apps, to all Yobsens around the world, malapit na po, we have our own games. Wala pong ginamit sa Smart Media na second party para mag-outsource ng game. Smart Media developed and created these games. Bongga. Kaya nga po, as a Yobsen owner, whenever your free users plays this game, you get paid in so many ways. Ito po yung itsura ng Yobsen on iPad. Ito ang itsura ng Yobsen on iPad. And of course, these are some of the games we have. We have 8 existing games. We have the Bubble Champion. We have Run, Bunny, Run. We have Desert Monster. We have Cave of Treasures, Ultra Space Ball, Discovery Adventure. I'll pause for this one. I'll stop for this one. Ito pong Discovery Adventure, pagandaan po natin, lalo yung mga addicted sa games. Ang company po, mag-allocate po sila ng thousands of dollars every month. Itong Discovery Adventure games ng Yobsen Games by Smart Media Technologies, ito po yung Seek and Find Treasure game. Kung ano po yung makita ninyo sa games na to habang nilalaro ninyo, Smart Media Technology, nakakuha ka ng $10, nakakuha ka ng gadget, nakakuha ka ng trip to Hong Kong, diba? Whatever you find while playing this game, Smart Media Technologies will send it to you in real life. Okay? Isn't that cool? Walang nakaisip na, no? Kasi alam kasi talaga niya na may pera sa internet. Ang ginawa ni Smart Media, pinabalik lang niya sa community. Imagine, naglalaro ka lang, pero at the same time, naglalaro ka, nire-reward ka. So, kung ano makuha mo sa Discovery Adventure game, madadala sa ni Smart Media in real life. So, abangan natin yan. Now, we have this 3 educational game. We call it Edutainment, Number Muncher. We have Memory Lane, and in English. Now, as a Yobsen owner, di ba, iba't iba po ang login screen or logo ng mga social sites, right? And they control it. But as a Yobsen owner, kung ano po yung passion ninyo, pwede po ninyong i-customize yung login screen ninyo and logo. So, if you own different businesses, gusto nyo araw-araw, iba't iba ang logo na ilalagay ninyo, araw-araw, iba't iba yung cover photo or wallpaper na gagamitin nyo. Why? Because binigay tayo ni Smart Media Technologies ang pagkakataon na gumawa, mag-customize ang sarili nating login screen and logo, or pwede rin po tayong pumili sa existing template po ng Yobsen. So, how cool is that? You can own your own social network, nakapangalan sa inyo, at araw-araw gusto mo, iba't ibang logo ang makikita ng entire free user mo. So, we have this. Yes. And we have this Yobsen Owners Branding. Choose from 10 powerful template layouts. Sa ngayon po, 10 pa lang yan. Sa Facebook, since lahat tayo naka-Facebook, hindi ko natatanong kung sino hindi naka-Facebook, dahil alam ko lahat tayo naka-Facebook. Iisa itsura ni Facebook, right? Ako naka-LinkedIn. Iisa itsura ni LinkedIn. Iisa itsura ni Twitter. Okay? Pero as a Yobsen owner, meron po tayong 10 templates na pwede nating pagpili-pilian. And you can, as a Yobsen owner, makikita niyo po yan lahat under utility menus. Doon niyo po makikita yung Yobsen layout. So it's up to you. As a Yobsen owner, you have a control to change your template layout anytime you want. It's up to you. We have also this 11 inbuilt template backgrounds. Kung ayaw nyo naman ito, pwede po kayo mag-customize ng sarili ninyo. Cool, di ba? Ikaw may-ari, ikaw ang mag-design. What else? We have this social dashboard. Drop and drag lang po ito. Yung wala dito, ilagay ninyo. Yung ayaw ninyo, ilagay nyo po doon sa hindi nyo gagamitin. Okay? And yung iba po natin, nandito rin po yung ating trick photography. Nandito rin po yung marami po dyan. Pag may training po tayo, saka po natin i-visit. But just to show you that in your own brand, by being a Yobsen owner, you have all of these features and you have the control being the Yobsen owner. And then, di ba, nabanggit ko kanina, meron tayong fantastic videos. Imagine if you invited your 100 friends, and your 100 friends invited their 100 friends, and their 100 friends invited their 100 friends. So, nag-grow na nag-grow yung inyong community, yung inyong free users. And whenever they log in, they see your branding, and itong fantastic videos, bago po sila mag-explore doon sa animation, movies, travel, web hosting, ang makikita po nila yung inyong uploaded videos. So if it's regarding about motivational videos or income opportunity or meron kang personal video, it's up to you, you can upload. Next, as a Yobsen owner, meron po kayong pagkakataon ilagay ang inyong internal and external blog. Pwede pong ilagay ang inyong Facebook. So your free users, they can follow you on your Facebook. And you can also do your blog. External blog, kung meron kayong pinafollow na blog, tapos kaysa magbubukas kayo ng another browser, di ba walang xxx.com, di ba? So, instead na pupunta ka pa doon, pagbukas mo sa Yobsen mo, ilagay nyo na lang po yung external blog na yon, lagay nyo po sa loob ng Yobsen nyo. So, doon ka na nagbabasa sa loob ng Yobsen mo, and your entire free users are also reading your external blog. Galing, no? Now, as a Yobsen owner, like ako po, meron po akong 4,000 friends on Facebook. I have around 1,000 pending friends. Kasi nililimit ko po eh. Hanggang 5,000 lang yung friends on Facebook. Now, as a Yobsen owner, listen to this. Yobsen owners, paid members get the branding. And when your free members, remember your free members are your friends and their friends and their friends and their friends. Kaya nga po naging 1.2 billion ng free users ni Facebook eh. Sino po nagpalaki kay Facebook? Tayo po. Because we keep on inviting people. So same thing here. Lalaki po yung mga free users niyo because of the value that Yobsen offers to the community. And when your free members use the system, your Yobsen, they are seeing your branding. The moment they created their free account, the first real-time branding, you will see the live database of all your free users in your Yobsen network. The database includes their username, their name, their email address, their phone optional, their city, country, IP address, date, and time when they started using for free. So, anong purpose ng database? Alam niyo po ba sa online and internet marketing, pera po ito? Kasi bakit? If you are selling anything, business in the form of product or services, you can send them your proposals or everything. And this, makikita niyo po itong database na to sa inyong back office. Okay, which is your another website. Okay? So, ito makita niyo, no? Ito yung nasa right bottom. Andito po yung mga paid advertiser. Ang makakakita po nito, the entire Yobsen community, whether free or paid. Live tayo, live. Nandito po ako sa isang tea coffee house in Pilar. Okay. Ito naman po yung branding na sinasabi kanina, yung nasa left button. Kung meron po kayong 100 friends, 100 nyo, they refer their Yobsen to their friends, and lumaki na lumaki. Yung nasa left button, magkakaroon po kayo ng pagkakataon na mag-advertise ng unlimited websites nyo, you're free as a Yobsen owner. Ito po yung branding na tinatawag. Okay? Ang makakakita naman po nito, sana naririnig nyo ako, ang makakakita po nito, oo nga eh, masensya na kayo hindi ko naman po mapipigilan pagdating na mga, okay. Ang makakakita naman po nito ng nasa left side advertisement in your branding niyo, your entire free user. Whether you know them or not, they will see your branding. Kung marami kang website, ayan, nakikita niya. Palitan mo araw-araw yung website mo dahil marami kang business. Araw-araw palitan mo. The moment you change it, save it, your entire free user can watch it. Okay? So, yan po yung advantage being a Yobsen owner. Now, magkano ba, Miss Jelly, lahat ng mga pinagsasasabi mo? Okay? So, May dalawa po tayong package na pinopromote, isang $125 package or 6,500 pesos sa ngayon, Philippine rate, or $400 or 20,000 pesos. Kasama na po doon yung $5 one-time admin charge. You can pay credit card or cash. By law ng USA, pag po product or tangible product, 30 days money back guarantee. Pag digital, like us, okay, 2 to 3 days lang po yan. Eh bakit meron tayong 14 days money back guarantee? Kasi naniniwala po si David Martin na hindi po natin ma-explore ang Yobsen ng Smart Media Technologies because once you buy your Yobsen ownership, whether in any packages, you will be given for replicated site. You have the yobsen.com, which is yung pamimigay ninyo, yung social network. You have your smartmediatechnologies.com. Okay, you have the goyobsen.com, the sales page, and buyobsen.com, and many more. It's a one-time, lifetime. So, no-brainer for me. Bakit? Magkano po ba magpagawa ng isang blog? Magkano po magpagawa ng isang simpleng website? Eh, magkano pong mag-aral ng Photoshop? By the way, we have a complete course of Photoshop, and we have a complete course of English under Smart University. Okay? Imagine nyo, magkano yun pag pinag-aralan natin. Magkano pong mag-aral ng vlogging? Simple vlogging po, magkano? Dito po sa atin, simple vlogging, mga 8 to 15,000 pesos. And para at kailangan nyo pumunta doon sa training seminar place o venue. Dito, mapag-aaralan nyo po lahat kasi kasama po siya sa Yobsen features. Now, with all of everything I said, do you think the 20,000 pesos is mahal or mura? So you have to see the value for money. Ang magpagawa ng simpleng vlog kung kaibigan, 8,000 pesos. Kapag hindi ka kilala, 15,000 pesos. And you have to renew it every year, 4,000 to 5,000 pesos for the domain name and hosting. Ganun po kamahal. Magkano kung mag-aral ng basic English? 15,000 to 20,000 pesos. Ba't ko sinasabi to? Para makita po natin yung value ng Yobsen package. Whether you get the 6,500 or 20,000 pesos, makukuha niyo po lahat yun. Ang pinagkaiba lang po, yan po naka-X. Wala kang unlimited websites, wala kang name in lives, wala kang website bundling and everything. But the good news is, you can upgrade anytime. Wala pong time frame. Okay? So that is the good news. Now, let's talk about money. Who wants to be rewarded? Who wants to get paid? Who wants to monetize? Diba may mga producers tayo? Of course, I want to earn. Everybody wants to make money. Okay, so let's talk about this one income stream. Tinatawag ko natin pay per click. Babayaran ka sa bawat click na pinupuntahan natin. So again, ang nagpapayaman sa mga giant sites on internet, yung tinatawag ko natin, alin po? Digital ads. We're selling the same thing. Okay? Yung nakita nyo kanina, let me go back there. Okay, so pay per click, PPC. Pag po may nakita tayong advertisement on Facebook, in any sites, pag po yun ay kinilik natin, ang tawag doon, pay per click. Kung ikaw yung nag-advertise sa sites na yon, kung magkano yung budget na nilagay mo sa site na yon, kung ilan yung nag-click, binabawasan po yun ng may-ari ng site. Kaya lang po, dito po sa Smart Media, binigyan po tayo ng pagkakataon, kaya po share revenue program. Kaya po natin tawag na pay-per-click bonus. Let's talk about it. Could you introduce one free member per day? May kakilala ka ba isang tao sa isang araw? Yes. So kung meron kang isang kakilala sa isang araw, we have 30 days. So you have 30 friends. Kaya pasensya na kayo kung maingay na po dito. Okay? So 30 free members, kakilala mo, inintroduce sa kanilang 10 kaibigan, bawat isa. So, 30 times 10, 300. Tingnan natin kung lalabas yung aking pencil. Okay? So, look at this. Ito lang yung kakilala mo, 30 friends, right? Yung 30, nag-invite ng tig sa 10. So, syempre, may total ka na, meron silang 300. So, 300 plus yung 30 mo nakakilala kanina, that would give you 333 members. Pay per click. Sabihin natin, kung makiklik sila, quality clicks, a number of clicks every day sa mga advertisement. Saan yung makikita yung advertisement natin? O, balikan natin, ha? Okay, balikan natin. Yan. Yung nasa right button. Yan, nakita niyo yan. Yung makes you use residual income, yan. Every 10 minutes, average of 10 minutes, nagpapalit po ng advertisement. So, whenever we click on those advertisement, yan, dito to, may platform. Whenever we click on that, we get paid. We just, inirapan ako. So, every time na nakiklik yung ating free user niya, dahil syempre, interesado sila. Whenever we click, okay, binabayaran po tayo ng smart media. Sabihin po natin, average of $2 a month for each 3 members. Okay? So, $330 times $2, na 330 per user times $2 will give you a potential income of $660 or times 45 pesos rate, 30,000 pesos. Sabihin mo na, isang taon bago mo nakuha yung 330 na yan. Bakit hindi mo i-share, right? Alam niyo ba kung bakit yung mayaman yung mga yan? Bakit kumita si Facebook ng $30 million sa kakaklik-klik ng 30 million free users sa Pilipinas? Yun, sila Facebook po ang yung kumikita. Of course, kaya po sila yung nagtayo ng opisina dito. Number 8 tayo po. For so many years, number 8 tayo in the world. Facebook user in the world, number 2 in Asia Pacific. Ngayon, hindi ko po alam kung anong update na yun. Hindi ko pa po nakikita. So, that's it. Now, what if, and do you think your 330 users, mai-stop nyo sila to share your website? Of course not. Just like Facebook and other social sites, they started with few, and then hundreds, and 100 millions, and now there are billions. Why? Because they keep on sharing, and sharing, and sharing, and yet we are not being rewarded. That is why not you are not going to share your website, i-reward tayo ng social points. Pag inarir mo yung social points dahil free user ka lang, aba, mamalengke ka sa ating Yobsen Global Shopping. Ngayon naman, pag Yobsen owners ka, mas matindi. Diba? Imagine, nag-click ang free user mo, you are getting paid. Now, what if your free user upgrade and become a Yobsen owner? Pwede, di ba? Pwede. Kasi your entire free users, remember, are your customers and they can. Remember, 30 lang ang kakilala mo. Yung 30 na nagkwento sa 10. Yung 10 kasi lumaki ng lumaki. They are part of your free users community. And the good news is, anyone from your free user, they can upgrade and become a Yobsen owner. And whenever they buy the packages, ano po yung packages na sinabi ko kanina? Ito pong 125. Whenever they buy the 125, you get the $1,125 in 45 pesos exchange rate. And then, pag naman po ang napili nila itong $400, ang direct bonus po, $150. Times 45, ba, hindi na po masama, 6,750 pesos. So, ibig sabihin, binili mo yung package mo ng $400, sa tatlo lang, aba, balikunan ka na. Kasi, i-times mo kaya sa 3 ito. Diba? Hindi $450, may sukli ka pang $50. Not bad. Right? Hindi na masama. And you are forever a Yobsen owner. Saka nakakita gano'n. Hindi mo kailangan i-renew yung website mo. Na ito, pag gumawa ka ng vlog mo, kailangan mo yung bayaran ng 4,000 to 5,000 every year. Kaya po sinasabi ko sa mga Pinoy, no-brainer, hindi mo na pag-iisipan pa. Kaya po sinasabi ko yung mga amounts, yung mga value. Kasi po, once you buy your Yobsen ownership, okay, kalimutan nyo na yung PPC bonus, kalimutan nyo na itong mga pinapakita kong income opportunity. No-brainer. Parang binigay sa inyo yung smart media, yung platform, mag-aral ka. You buy it one time, lifetime. Okay? Marami na po akong, I spent $10,000, $20,000 to learn something on internet. Lahat po yung binabayaran ko. Wala naman pong libre. Pero imagine, diba, you are a Yobsen owner, you are sharing your Yobsen.com to your friends, and your friends and their friends are learning and getting a lot of tremendous value inside your Yobsen. And because you are sharing them, ano po yung nagiging benefits? Anyone from them are your customers and anyone can buy Yobsen owners. So there is no limit to the number of people that can directly sponsored by you. Okay? $150 or 6,750 pesos. So, I won't discuss this roll-up upgrade bonus. Now, let's talk about team commission, the other income stream. All reps are placed in the team. Reps means Yobsen owner. Whether you will do the business or will just use the platform, you will be placed in the tree. Paid to unlimited debt. Babayaran tayo kung gaano kalalim ito, no matter who does the sale in your team. Hindi mo nakilala kung sino yung nagbibenta, sumasali, but you will get paid. Ang kailangan lang po dito, the only requirements here is you have to bring 2 Yobsen owners. Okay? Dalawa lang po in any package for you to qualify on this team commission. Now, only 2 teams to build. The left and the right team. How does it work? Maximum, pwede na ba ito sa inyo? $50,000 or $2.2 million per week. Converted na po yan sa 45 pesos rate. Okay? Yan po yung maximum. Yan po yung maximum na income po natin sa team commission. Okay? Pero hindi po yan yung pinakamalaki. The highest in the industry. Pero hindi po siya ang the highest sa income stream ng smart media. We'll proceed to that later. Okay? So for you to qualify yung team commission, you just have to bring 2 Yobsen owners in any package. How does it work? So lahat po ng bumibili po sa atin ng packages, okay, meron pong equivalent po na point system yan. So yung 125 reps, or $125 package, 100 points. Pag $400 package, 200 points. And any upgrades from 125 to $400 points. Meron ang $400 package, i-upgrade po yun, dadagdagan po ng 100 points. Okay? Take note, every packages, bumili yung kaibigan mo, nakuha mo yung direct bonus, bawat bili ng packages may equivalent na points. And team commission is being completed, accumulated through the following sources of points. So, meron po tayong tinatawag na monthly subscription fee. Sabi mo, Miss Jenny, wala, one-time like. Yes. Ang maganda po sa Asia Pacific, just like us in the Philippines or in Malaysia, okay? Babayaran lang po natin yung $30 na to. Okay? Optional po yan. Kung meron po tayong income na over and above $100. Okay? Sumali ka. Hindi ka naman nag-business, ginamit mo yung platform, diba? Nag-enjoy ka lang din sa mga tutorials, Smart Library University, share mo lang ng share. Hanggat walang nakikitang income sa iyo on a monthly basis sa $100, wala po ito. Okay? Wala yan. Pero kapag nag-i-income ka po, nakita ng system na kumikita ka ng $100, of course, you have to pay $30 monthly subscription. Just like nung bumili ka ng package na may equivalent na points, every time na nagbabayad ka ng $30 monthly subscription, meron po itong equivalent na 30 points, and meron po itong equivalent na 300 social points. Remember yung social point? Ayan, yan po yung gagamitin ninyo sa pamamalengke. So again, whenever you have an income over and above $100, meron po itong equivalent na 30 points para sa team commission at meron po itong kasamang 300 social points. So, paano po itong team commission? Ang 900 points po is equivalent to 1 cycle. Ito po. 900 points equivalent to 1 cycle. So, paano kinocompute ang 900 points? Dalawang computation lang po. 1 cycle, either you have 600 points on the left, plus 300 on the right, 900 points, 1 cycle. Congratulations, you earn $50. So, pag $400 kayo, $50. Pag lower package kayo, $25. Now, what else? Or, pwedeng 300 on the left, 600 on the right. Miss Jelly, pwede bang 450, 450? No. Pwede bang 500, 400? No. So, dalawa lang po ang computation. Every time na may nakikita ang system na nangyayaring 3 and 600 or 600 and 300 left and right, 1 cycle, congratulations, you are entitled to a $50 1 cycle bonus. As long as you are qualified. Again, to qualify, kailangan may dalawa ka in any package na Yobsen owner. Good news is, lahat ng points hindi po nagpa-flash. Hindi sabihin hindi nawawala. Sumali ka ngayon, after 1 year, kasi marami nang sumali. After 1 year, nag-decide kang gawin ito, i-share ito sa mga kakilala mo. Pag gising mo isang araw, meron ka ng 100,000 points or 1 million points. And that is the start of you cashing it out. So how? Of course, this one. How does it work? Tingnan natin. Again, hindi po nagpa-flash ito. Kahit pagsali nyo, hindi kayo agad nag-share or nagtrabaho, it's okay. Hindi ko nawawala yung points niyo, hindi kayo nawawala sa ating tree. So, assuming there are 2 different ways on how you can build your team. Assuming lang po lahat ng sumali sa grupo natin is $400. So, this is your sponsor or the person who invited you, your upline. We use the term upline here. And then this is you, W1. So, We will assume po na $400 po ang lahat ng pumasok. So, of course, we have to build two things on the right. So, the left and the right. So, you sponsor Asra, right? Of course, $400, you got the $150. And for every $400 package, you get 200 points on your left from Asra. You brought your friend Michelle. Michelle, you get the $150. And of course, for $400 for Michelle, you get the 200 points. So, meron ka naputang 200 points sa left. Si Asra nagtrabaho. Diba? So, Asra, dinala niya yung friend niya si Nora. So, of course, kumita si Asra ng $150 direct bonus. And look at this. Kumita si 200 points from Asra. 200 points to you, 200 points to your upline on all the way up. So, lahat ng sales na nangyayari sa ilalim ninyo, sa ilalim natin, lahat ng points umaakyat. Okay, lahat ng points umaakyat. But who does the sale? Asra. Look at the next example. Asra bought Ahmad because Asra got the $150 direct bonus. Asra will get the 200 points and you get the 200 points and all the people above you, above us. For the purpose of this presentation, ikaw lang po ang focus natin. So, you got the 200 points from Ahmad. Si Michelle, dinala niya yung friend niya si Jude. Of course, Michelle got the $150. Okay? Then ikaw, nakakuha ka din ng 400, 200 points. So, tingnan natin kung nag-cycle ka na. Cycle ka na ba? Yes, kasi meron kang 600 points sa left mo. Okay? And meron kang 300 dito. So, may total kang 400. So, less 300. So, ilan po? Cycle ka na. So, meron ka nakaabang na 100 points for your next cycle. Wala pong magpa-flash out yan. Yung flash out of sila hindi nawawala. Okay? The only limit is when you earn the maximum $50,000 a week. So, yan po yun. Tingnan natin susunod. Ayan, 100. Kailang buburahin ko lang yung aking yung aking bubura lang tayo. Okay, next. Now, let's proceed. Yan nangyari. So, ikaw na-sponsor mo yung tatlong mong kaibigan, pangatlong mong kaibigan, you decided to, ang paglagay lang po ng kakilala natin, left, extreme left, and extreme right. So, you decided to put your third friend under Michelle. Siyempre, nakuha mo yung $150 and you get the 200 points from Michelle. Yung upline mo, yung nag-sponsor sa'yo, nag-sponsor siya si Dave. So, he decided to put Dave under Marisa. So, you get, who does the same? Your upline. When your upline get the $150, you get the 200 points from Dave. And so on and so forth. Yan ang po nangyari dyan. Lumaki na po yung grupo mo, kaya po mapapansin nyo why we are helping the team. That's why because we have this team commission. Whoever does the sale, we get this cycle bonus. So if this has happened, wala po tayong ayan, every week, again, $50,000 po. So, 6 green po, yan po yung direct mo. So, meron kang $150 times 6, of course, $900. Sa illustration po na to, 3 beses po kayo nag-cycle. So, 3 times 50, $150. Pagkano nilabas mo? $20,000 or $400. Kumita ka ng $1,050. Now, let's talk about this one, the 3-level matching bonus. Ito po yung pinakamalaki sa lahat, hindi po yung $50,000. Ganun, Miss Jenny? Yes. Ngayon, for you to qualify on this, we call it, po tayo ng pencil natin. Para ma-qualify ka rito sa 3-level matching bonus, okay? Kailangan po, number 1, kailangan po $400 reps po kayo. Yun po ang requirement. Kapag 125 ka, hindi ka qualified sa income na po. Okay? So again, for you to qualify on this, kailangan $400 package kayo o tawag po namin ito professional package. How does it work? Ano nga ito? Okay. Yun natin. So this is you becoming a professional package. Basta po meron kayong kakilala na 6. Okay? Yan po mangyayari. So meron po kayong additional na 20% sa level 1. Ano ba to? Tingnan natin kung magagawa ko ito. Okay? So, paano po ito? Ang matching bonus po, this is an extra bonus. Kinukompute ito based po sa team commission ng inyong mga naisama dito. Okay? So, in this example, I will just use this one. So, if this is you, okay? Halimbawa, ako na isama niyo si Jelly. Okay? Okay? So, since ako yung lahat po ng naisama niyo directly dito, ang tawag po doon, level 1 niyo po sila. Okay, level 1. Ngayon, sabi dito, ang matching bonus, kinukompute po ito based sa ating team commission, right? Yung $50 per cycle na ang maximum $50,000. Sabihin mo na po, kumita po ako sa aking team commission, although weekly po ang ating payout, sabihin mo na kumita po ako ng $1,000. Okay? Take note, kumita ako ng $1,000 dahil ako ay level 1 mo. Ang sabi ng company, bibigyan kita ng level matching bonus 1 kung, sabi ng company, kung meron kang 6 na kakilala. Personal reps in any package. So, meron kang Jelly, yung 5 na tulog, pero si Jelly, gising, magkano po ibibigay sila ng company? Let's look at the next slide. 20%. So, 20% ng $1,000 ba? Not bad, meron kang $200. Pwede? Pwede. Okay, next. Ngayon, syempre nadala ko yung friend ko, no? Si Rafael. Si Rafael is my level 1, your level 2. So, lahat ng income, sabi ng company, si Rafael, kumita rin siya. Na-excite din siya. Kumita po din siya ng $1,000, katulad ko, o $250 per week. Okay? Per month. May sabi ng company, bibigyan kita ulit ng level 2 matching bonus kung yung 6 mo kanina, dagdagan mo pa ulit ng 6. So, meron ka ng 12, total of 12. So, may 6 ka kanina, na-qualify ka, kaya binigyan ka ng matching bonus sa aking performance, sa aking team commission, ng $50 kanina. So, since may 12 ka, sabi ng company, eh, bibigyan kita ng lahat ng team commission income of your level 2, of your entire level 2 sa kanilang team commission income. Kung meron kang 12, yung 6 mo kanina, dagdagan mo lang ng 6. Yung sabi ng company, congratulations, I will give you 20% of the matching bonus. So, magkano po yun? $200. Kilala mo ba si Rafael? Of course not. So, bakit hindi ka tutulong? Eh, tulungan po talaga dito. Teamwork po ito. Okay? So, meron ka ng 12. Of course, si Rafael, nag-bring niya yung kanyang tita, no? Si tita, humataw din po si tita. So, Rafael's level 1, my level 2, and your level 3. Okay, sabi ng company, bibigyan kita ulit ng level matching bonus sa level 3 mo, sa lahat ng income nila, sa team commission nila, kung yung 12 mo kanina, dagdagan mo pa ng 2. So, a total of 14. Okay, so 6 plus 6 plus 2 equals 14. Yan, no? For your entire lab, 4 lang yan. Tapos 2 lang ang isa. Kasi nangyari po yan, meron po kayong matching bonus. Kung magkano po yung performance ng mga tao from your level 1, level 2, and level 3 sa kanilang team commission, binabayaran ka po ng company. So, dahil pag yan ay nangyari, congratulations, bibigyan ka sa income ng tita ni Rafael na $1,000. Magkano po? Magkano ilang percentage? 10%. So, 10% ng $1,000 is, meron ka pong $100. Eh, imagine nyo kung ilang jelly yan, kung ilang Rafael yan, kung ilang tita yan, diba? So, dito, kaya po dito, wala pong maximum kung ilan yung madadala mong direct mo kasi hindi mo naman alam kung sino talaga ang magtatrabaho. Kaya kung malalaman nyo lang po ang kwento ng Malaysia, you will be amazed na ang nagsimula po ng Malaysia ay wala pong Facebook at hindi po gumagamit ng internet. And this young guy, senior guy, is now earning an average of $10,000. Diba? Hindi gumagamit ng Facebook and internet, aniwala lang po siya. Sabi niya lang, kung ang Facebook ay naging multi-billion-dollar company without a rewarding and paying back to the community, mas lalaki si Smart Media. Kaya kung meron po kayong vision, hindi kayo marunong, it's okay, kasi lahat naman po na pag-aaralan. Pero kung matandang to up to now po, hindi pa po siya 3%. Okay? Nag-leverage lang po siya, which is, dinidiscuss po natin sa ating mga tayo. So, isn't it good? Nadala mo lang yung mga kaibigan mo, tumulong, humato, matindi yung mga pangarap. Pero habang dahil nadala mo sa kanila, dahil na-share mo sa kanila yung opportunity na to, you cannot stop people who are crazy and hungry for success. And whenever they are making sales on their team commission, whenever they are getting it, you are getting paid as long as you are qualified on this matching bonus. So, ito po yung pinaka malaki sa lahat. So, let's give you an illustration. 1,000, okay? Illustration para mas makasabay tayo. So, meron kang 14 na tao. Bawat isa kumita po ng $1,000. Yan. Ang example ko kanina. So, 14 kumita sa team commission na ng $1,000. Of course, kumita ka ng, hindi pala kumita ka. So, meron po nangyaring 14,000 team commission sales, right? Are you qualified? Yes, kasi 6 nga lang ang kailangan eh, right? So, dahil 6 lang ang kailangan, wait. So, dahil 6 lang ang kailangan, qualified ka. So, sabi ng Smart Media, babayaran kita ng 20% of that. So, 20%. It's okay. 20% of the 14,000 dahil qualified ka. Congratulations. Grabe to. $2,800 times 45, 126,000 pesos. Yun naman, pesos. Sa tingin mo ba, mababago ang buhay mo niyan? Kaya po dito, padamihan po ng katulad mo. Huwag kang titigil hanggat hindi ka nakakakita ng maraming katulad mo. Okay? Ngayon yung sabihin mo na yung 14 mo nag-gising. Kaya gising kasi kumikita ng $1,000. Kumuha ng tig sa 10 nilang kaibigan na kasintulad din natin. So, yung 14 times 10, bawat isa, huwag ng $1,000, 500 na lang. 500 times 140 na tao sa level 2 mo. Magkano po lahat ang kanilang team commission? 70,000. Qualified ka? Yes, kasi 14 ka nga. 14 yung direct mo. 14 yan. 14. Kaya qualified ka na naman. So, 140 times 70, magkano po ang iyong matching bonus? Ako talaga na-excite ko. Kasi hindi po to hiking ha. Totoo po to, achievable kasing $1,000. Kaya yan po yung bigay na example natin. Eh, sino bang ayaw ng $1,000? That's only $250 commission sa cycle bonus. Marami po tayong kasama sa Malaysia na earning $3,000, $5,000, $8,000 in a month. Grabe. Grabe. And it's happening in Malaysia. So, kung nangyari sa Malaysia, mas mangyayari po sa atin sa Pilipinas. Why? Because 18 million ang internet users nila. 36 million po tayo. Grabe po ito. Now, yung 140 mo kanina, okay? Nag-invite ng tig sa 10. Bawat 10, kumikita rin na. So, may 1,400 jobs and owners ka na. Bawat isa kumikita ng $500 sa kanilang team commission. Are you qualified? Of course. Bakit? May 14 ka. Okay? Yung 14 yan, ibig sabihin, gising yan. Kaya pag natutulog, iwan. Bago mo iwan, gisingin mo muna bago mo iwan. Kaya po dito, we keep on looking for people na katulad mo na gising. Okay? So, 1,400 na tao, kumikita bawat isa ng $500 or 25,000 pesos, kung 50 pesos rin. Meron po nangyaring 700,000 na income sa kanilang lahat. Dahil level 3 mo sila, qualified ka, 10% of that. Grabe po. Tingnan nyo naman po ito. Paano naman po hindi kayo magtatrabaho? Maghanap po kayo ng isang opportunity na ganito. Ano po sa tingin nyo ang mangyayari sa buhay ng isang Pilipino kung ito po ay kinikita po ng 3.1 million pesos per month? Per month. Anong sa tingin niyo po? Sabihin mo na, Jelly, masyadong malaki yan. Sige, sabihin mo na 10% alam yan. Not bad. 315,000? Pwede na? Pwede na? Ang tingin niyo mangyayari sa buhay ng tao? Pag hinati mo pa yan, ewan ko na. Kasi hindi yan ang income na gusto ko. So, it's up to you. Depende po dito sa gusto natin. Kaya po tinatrabaho ito. Okay? Makatotohanan po yung 14. Ang gagawin po natin to na meron tayong 14 na kakilala na gusto kumita ng grabe, no? Kumikita sila sa team commission at habang tinutulungan mo sila tumaki ang iyong grupo because of the team commission, magkano kinikita na binabayaran ka ng kapal. Yan po ang pinakamalaki sa lahat kasi wala pong limit po dito. Okay? Titigil ko lang po ito ng sandali sa inyo. Tingnan niyo po, sino po yung 14 na kakilala ninyo na kasintindi ng pangarap ninyo? Hanap po tayo. You don't stop until you get there. Yung iba nga, kahit kumikita na ng $10,000, $20,000 ang hindi pa rin binibigay. Why? Because there are more and more people na kailangan kong makita yung opportunity na ito. Because we found them, we helped them, we are getting paid through this matching bonus. why not? If through you and me, this opportunity will change lives, millions of people in the Philippines and nearby, why not? Right? Why not? Masarap ng feelings ng tao. Babalik siya sabihin siya, thank you, Jerry. Thank you, Cynthia. Thank you, Geraldine. Thank you. Because through you, nabago ang buhay ko. Because you are here, I'm giving you an opportunity to thank the person who invited you, right? Because hindi po aksidente na napunta kayo. Meron pong purpose. So let's proceed. We're almost done. So meron po tayong income disclaimer. You can check that on our Smart Media back office under Opportunity Hub. So we have this one-time star and diamond bonuses. We have this mega bonus. So wala po tayong pakotse pabahay. Lahat po binigay sa atin cash. Mega bonus, magkano po lahat? $1.4 million. Ito po yan. Kapag po meron kayo, ito po ang ating ranking, 1 star to double diamond. Pag meron po nangyayaring active left and right, ibig sabihin kumikita po yan, nagbabayad ng $30 every month. What is $30? Kumita ka ng $10,000, babayaran mo $30. Kumita ka ng $150, babayaran mo $30. Basta over na above $130 po yung ating subscription. Every time na meron pong active, na 30, na 50 and 50, 50,000 and 50,000, okay? Ito po yung ranking. Ito po yung i-release sa atin ng company yan. Pag nag-maintain same people, ayan po, mag-start na po yung monthly lifestyle. On the following months, na-reach nyo na mayroon pong active na 1.5 on the left, 1.5 on the right, 4 star ka na, then makukuha mo yung itong bonus na to. Then, of course, nag-maintain the following month, congratulations, meron ka ng tumaas ng lifestyle bonus mo. Kung hindi man, kung ano yung matatapatan, yun po yung ating monthly lifestyle. Plus, we have this leadership bonus and so on and so forth. Okay? So, wala pong pakotse, pabahay, patravel, trabahuin mo ito, and then you decide whatever house, cars, and places you want to buy, you want to go. Wherever places. Advertising bonus, yung kaibigan mo, nag-advertise lang, ginamit lang yung platform kasi nga po yung ating dynamic bar kanina in any site, in any browser, naka-stick na yan sa ating mga computer. So, kaya po, pag po tayo ay na-click as a Yobsen owner, binibigyan po tayo ng company ng 30% okay, sa PPC bonus as Yobsen owner. Kaya makikita niyo po dito, pag nag-click tayo is 0.03 cents. Okay, yan. So, minimum budget, 100, maximum 10,000. Kung nakuha niyo po siya, congratulations, kasi kayo po mayroong advertisement bonus. Our real-time advertising system allows advertisers to advertise multiple banners in any city. Maganda po rito, kung nag-advertise po yung company, yung kaibigan ninyo, pwede po niyang laruin yung price. Pwede po yung $100, yung 25 sa brand A niya, yung $50 sa brand B. Basta bahala niya, flexible po yung ating budget cost. Okay, so whenever your direct Yobsen owner place is advertisement budget, you as the Yobsen owner or the upline or the direct sponsor, you get 25% advertisement bonus. So ito po yun. Ayan po yung equivalent na yan. Yan. Okay, so 25% tips on going to the sponsor each time you advertise or you use their advertising budget. Ang pwede lang po mag-advertise dun sa right button, Yobsen owner in any package. Now, how do we get our commission? Dalawa po, plus 1. Right now, pwede po bank to bank, tapos of course, we will be charged with international wire transfer fee. $20 po siya ngayon. Or pwede rin po meron tayong pera sa e-wallet. E-wallet is electronic wallet. Okay, product vouchers. It's a 9-digit combination number po yan. A 9-digit combination po yan na para ka bang bumili ng load mo, prepaid card. Siyempre, hindi ka makakamake ng call or text kung hindi ka bibili ng card, right? So, you have to scratch the card and then tap the load of the number para you can make a call. So, same thing here. So, kung meron kang pera sa e-wallet mo because you are doing the business, and then you choose the package kung magkano. So, kahit sino pwedeng bumili sa inyo. So, kung Philippines po, kung magkano po yung rate natin sa mga packages, ganun din po. So, pwede kang mag-create ng product voucher from your e-wallet at may mga training naman po. Napakasimple lang naman po. Pero may training po tayo. And anytime soon, we are launching our global Visa card. Then po, nasa integration process na po tayo niyan at yan po ay i-order po. That is the third way on how we can get our commission. So, mas mababa po yung kumpara dito sa wire transfer. Pero it's still up to us kung saan natin ilalagay yung ating pera from our e-wallet. Pwedeng po ninyo bili natin ng voucher, pwede yung iba ilagay po ninyo sa debit card niyo, pwede yung iba po bank to bank. Pero syempre, mas maganda po yung bank to itong natin ating debit card. Okay? So that is that is right now we have 2 plus of course upcoming debit Visa card. And a special offer anytime coming soon, although lahat na po ng mga LMB3, LMB2, and LMB1, meron na po kaming Yobsen running on our iOS and Android. Na-experience po ito lahat ng LMB3. Narin yung LMB3, meron 14 directs, yung kanina sa Matching Bonus. LMB2, meron 12 directs. LMB1, yung meron pong dalawa. And anytime soon, ito na po yung Yobsen owner na meron dalawang Yobsen owner. And then, anytime soon, i-launch na po yan sa lahat ng public once it is launched. Okay, lahat po, nang bibili po lahat po ngayon na naka $400 package, automatic po, upgraded sila dito. Ang cost po nito, again, is $600. Pag na-release po yan sa public, that will give another income stream. Direct bonus po natin, $225. Sinasabi ko na ng maaga, direct bonus. And, meron po siyang 300 points para sa ating team commission. Okay? So, lahat po ng $400 package, nakasave po kayo ng $200. Ngayon, lahat po ng lower package, all you have to do is upgrade, ASAP. Pay the difference from 125 to 400. Pag hindi po, 125 kayo ngayon, inabot kayo ng Yobsen Professional Plus, yung ating bagong package. So, you pay the difference 600 and from 600 to 125. So, yun po yun. So, all I have to do, ang maganda po dito kasi is maging professional package na kayo para hindi kayo abutan ng Pro Plus. But again, we have all the chances in life. So, it's up to you. It's a choice anyway. Okay? So, yan po. Save by $200 signing up today. Again, for Philippine rate, $400 is 20,000 pesos. According to one of the best guy in the world, motivational speaker, mentor, coach. According to Tony Robbins, of course, are you ready to get connected to your future? Tony Robbins said, it's in your moment of precision, your destination. How do you see yourself doing smart media technologies? Pag ginawa mo to ng 1 year, 2 years from now, what life would you like to have with the income opportunity na nakita mo? Hindi mo gagawing mag-isang negosyo ito, kasama mo kami. Okay, so again, this is Angelica Rondodo, live from Manila. Thank you so much for attending this call and have a wonderful, amazing week.